Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this new video, I teach you about the topic of what is Amazon dropshipping, how to earn from Amazon dropshipping. But before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Due to this, you will never miss any update on my YouTube channel. So now let's start our topic and search the title. What is Amazon dropshipping? How to earn from Amazon dropshipping? After search, you will get different results related and we can check one by one and get benefits from it. Is Amazon to Amazon dropshipping profitable? How much does Amazon dropshipping require? How do I start dropshipping earnings? Is Amazon dropshipping easy? So now let's start the topic. Every thought about Amazon dropshipping, it is a solid idea. Amazon is one of the world's most brands after all. It leads the ranking of the most popular shopping apps in the United States. Ready to level up and hold your own stock. On top of that, strong trust and customer among Amazon shippers. Buy drop shippings on Amazon. You can own brands, and if you have a Shopify store, it might seem, but you can have a smooth experience drop shippings with Amazon. You know rules and basic process that will you do in this Amazon drop shipping guide. Without get start, before discussing Amazon dropshipping, let us give you a quick refresher how dropshipping works in the general. Dropshipping is the process of selling a product without the responsibility of carrying inventory or shipping the goods. The product manufacturer is responsible the product inventory and shipping the goods to the customer. Your job as a dropshipper is to maintain an online store where you are handle everything customer related from taking their orders with your supplier and managing customer services. So now our topic is the end. See you the next video. Take care. Bye.